This is a 15-minute upper body and core workout. No weights needed, we're just using your body weight. Let's get into the workout. We've got 21 exercises across 3 sets, 30 seconds of exercise with 10 to 30 seconds of rest in between. Get ready on your mat and we'll start the workout with push-up variations. Start in the plank position, lower your chest towards the floor, then push back up. Keep your body straight and your core engaged. Great work guys, short rest and bear walk is next. Start on all fours, lift your knees off the floor slightly and move your right hand and left foot forward. Then switch to the other side. Keep your hips low and your core engaged. Short rest now and we'll move on to bird dog.
Caught me by surprise tonight, didn't think I would get hooked. You fill me in without a fight, now floating in the...
Start on all fours, extend your right arm forward and left leg back, then switch sides. Keep your back flat and your core tight. 깨문 모습 보면 내 심장 더 부탄 뛰게 해 가사 따위 필요도 올라가는 템포 그냥 이대로 가면 vibe check 밤이 끝나기 전까지 내 곁에 같이 있어줘 본능적으로 let's get down right now 머리부터 발끝까지 다 원해 너도 알자. Well done guys, rest and recover and move on to reverse plank. Sit with your legs straight out, place your hands below you and lift your hips towards the ceiling, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Almost done with set 1 guys, just 2 more after this. Short break now and move on to tricep dip to toe touches. Place your hands behind you, bend your elbows into a dip, then back up and lift your leg and touch your toes. Alternate between the 2 movements.
So absurd to me, things that you said that left a burn on me. I can't find my way without you. I can't find my way without you.
Rest and recover, plank leg raise is next. Hold a plank position, then lift one leg off the ground at a time. Keep your body still and focus on tightening your core. Short break once again and finish off the first set with plank sole. Hold a plank and gently rock your body back and forth. Keep your body in a straight line and core engaged.
How you let that shit feel so sincere. It's so absurd to me. Things that you said that left a burn on me. I can't find my way without you. I can't find my way without you. It's so absurd to me. Things that you said that left a burn on me. I can't find my way without you.
And that's set 2. Pause the video here if you need a longer rest.
While we're on the break, if you're new to my workout programs, be sure to check out my free app. It's designed to help you to stay on track with your schedule and connect you with the community. Plus, you can also swap out the workout music for your Apple Music tracks, create your own custom schedules, and access more useful tools. Get ready on your mat and let's start the second set with plank walk. Start in a plank, then step your hands out one at a time, like you're walking sideways. Keep your body straight and your core tight. Well done guys, rest up and get ready for plank shoulder tap. Hold a plank position and tap each shoulder with the opposite hand. Keep your hips steady and core engaged. Nice work everyone, now sit on your mat and crab toe touches are next. Sit with your hands behind you, then lift your hips and alternate reaching your opposite hand to touch your toes. Short break again, we're moving on to renegade row. Keep pushing through guys, you got this. Start in a plank, now roll one arm up at a time, keeping your hips stable. Focus on squeezing your back as you pull each arm up. Catch your breath and get ready for back pull. Just 3 more exercises to go after this. Lay with your belly on your mat and pull your arms back like you're squeezing your shoulder blades together. Short break once again, we'll move on to YTW. Stay in the same position and now raise your arms in a V shape, then move into a T and then a W position. Focus on controlling each movement. Rest up, last 2 exercises. T rotation is next. Almost there guys. Start in a plank, rotate your body to one side, reaching one arm up to the ceiling, then rotate to the other side. Keep your core tight as you move. Final exercise of set 2. Take a break now and we'll finish off with dolphin planks. Start in a forearm plank, then lift your hips towards the ceiling and back down. Keep your core engaged and move slowly. Nice work everyone, that's set 2. Hydrate yourself if you need to and pause the video here if you need a longer rest. Get ready on your mat and let's start the final set with side plank. Get into a side plank position, keeping your body in a straight line. Engage your core and now bring your arm below your waist and then reach it towards the ceiling and repeat. Nice work everyone, short rest and we'll move on to the other side. Make sure you keep your body straight and your core engaged. Hang in there guys, almost done. You can be on your knees or stand for the remaining exercises. Arm circles are next. Extend your arms out to the side and make circles. Keep your arms straight and controlled. Nice work, give your arms a break and move on to the other direction. We're almost done, just 2 more to go. Rest up and we'll move on to up poses. Extend your arms out to the side and now pulse up. Keep your arms strong and your movements controlled. Last exercise to finish the workout. Let's end it with down pulse. Similar to before, now we're pulsing downwards. And that's the workout. Great job on reaching the end. Make sure you download my app to make it easier to stick to your schedule. Leave me a comment down below and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!